But today we're going to talk about why we are having the free workshop. Why is it free? Why are we not charging? Why is it, what's the significance of that?
Well, if you think about it, man, why should we charge?
Because time is money.
Time is money, but we've been disenfranchised just like everybody else. That's part of the problem with being from here for so long. If you revert back to our first show, we talked about gentrification for a reason, because it was such a issue.
Yep.
With this whole Mochella thing.
Perceived issue.
Mm-hmm. Because of the lack of education. So what I wanted to do when I employed you to say, hey, let's offer something to people so it can no longer be an excuse.
Okay.
Because you and I, we're tired of the excuse of, well, we didn't know. Well, now we're going to give you the platform to know. We want you to be in the know. We want you to be the popular kid in school now. No longer are you the kid that nobody knew, or you weren't smart, or you weren't on the basketball team, or you weren't the cheerleader, or you weren't the teacher's kid.
Mm-hmm.
So no longer can it be that you didn't fall into any category. Like now you're in the category. You have the opportunity. So it doesn't cost. It's as convenient as possible.
Most locations don't even charge for parking.
Parking is cool. And even the ones that do, it's so low cost.
Yeah.
And then at that time, it's at a time where it's during the lunch hour where, so don't eat lunch that day. Take your lunch.
Right.
Take your lunch. So on that day, you don't buy lunch out, you take a sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? You go for lunch and you come learn what your DMV opportunities are. It's almost like what this show is about. Learn about what you can do for free. No longer can you say, oh, well, my city's being gentrified, there's nothing I can do about it. That's BS. You can do something about it. And that's why it's free. I'm tired of our people, us included, not being empowered. So we want to empower everyone, no cost.
Right.
We are footing the bill. Now, the good thing is we got sponsors that were willing to do it along with us. So it's not like we're really just paying for everything. Like we have some volunteers.
Mm-hmm.
They say, okay, this is a good thing. Let's put up some money and let's go out here and do some stuff, because it benefits our community to say, okay, here's what we're going to do. Let's teach some people some things. Let's show everybody what can be done in this area globally to improve our position. And that's why free.